So to start with our planner, we require a file like this and a punching machine. Firstly, I'll cover the file with some decorative paper. Use two-sided tape instead of glue, as it will stick faster on the file. Also cover the inner section with the pattern sheets. Now you will be requiring two binder rings of small size. Now coming on to the fun part, here are some printables. I have personally designed these printables and it is available on my website or at www.letscraft21.com. I'll mention the link in the description box below so you can check them out and download and print these. Now start punching holes on these sheets. Now moving on to the monthly schedule. I have printed this monthly schedule with important tasks, monthly goals and important reminders. Also there is a fitness tracker where you can enter your fitness schedule weekly. Now the benefit of using binder rings is that you can easily change the placements of the sheets and also add or remove sheets. So that's the advantage of making your own DIY planner. So insert both the rings inside first and then start inserting your sheets one by one. Also, if you're a YouTuber, then this will be highly beneficial for you. There are these stickers of editing and uploading. I'll mention the link where these are available so you can print them out easily. Coming on to the first page, I've inserted some inspirational quotes inside a small tiny plastic bags, and also some stickers. I've cut them out and placed them in the plastic bag so that it's easy for me to remove and just use them off. I'm covering the front sheet with an inspirational quote, as you can see. Um, Cover page, and there I've written 2019 with some glitter foam sheet and stuck it on it. I've also covered it with a plastic sheet at the end. So guys, this is it for the planner. I loved how the planner turned out to be. I hope you guys also like this planner and will make one for yourself. If you make this one planner, then please send it to me on Instagram at Letscraft21. I would love to see your recreations and everything. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week, and Happy New Year once again to everybody. Thank you for watching.